Welcome to the supermarket. This is the supermarket.
Look at the supermarket. It is big.
Let's go shopping. Come with me.
We go inside.
Let's buy food.
I push the cart.
We buy food.
Look at the food.
There is a lot of food.
These are apples. These are bananas.
I take apples.
Apples are red. Apples are red. I like apples.
This apple is big. Bananas are yellow. I like bananas.
These are fruits. Fruits are good.
We need milk.
We need bread. I take the milk. The milk is cold.
I take the bread. The bread is fresh.
We have milk. We have bread. 1 apple. 2 apples. 3 apples.
1, 2, 3. 3 apples.
We go to the cashier. It is time to pay.
Hello. How can I help you?
Here is the food.
How much is this? It is $10. Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your bag. We go out.
We have food.
It is a good day.
We buy food. Look, Mom! We got the cereal!
Good job, kids.
Yay!
I am happy.
You did well. Well done.
Smile, please.
Cheese!
Welcome to the supermarket. Goodbye.
Welcome to the supermarket.
Goodbye.
Open your book.
I open my book.
Learn, grow, explore. I write my name.
I write in my book. I am scared. I feel shy.
Don't worry. You are okay.
It is okay. You can do it.
Draw a picture. We draw together. We draw together. I draw a saucepan. I draw a cat. It is break time. Let's play. I like to play. I am happy.
I eat my snack.
It is good. Read your book.
We read a story.
I read a story. I like this book.
Look at the board. Listen to me.
I know the answer. Me, please. Me, please. The bell is ringing. School is over. We go home.
Goodbye, school.
Welcome, class. How is school?
School is fun.
Good job today. I am proud of you.
You did well.
I am happy. I am happy.
Smile, please.
Cheese! It is a good day. We are happy.
Welcome to school.
Goodbye. Welcome to the beach. This is the beach.
Look at the sea.
The sea is big. It is a sunny day.
Let's go to the sea. I have my toys.
Let's play.
I have my toys.
Let's play. This is the beach. It is beautiful.
I play with sand. I like the sand. I build a castle. It is a sand castle. The water is near.
I go to the sea.
Be careful.
The water is deep.
I help you.
Come back.
Thank you, Dad. I am safe. We walk together.
The beach is nice.
I like swimming. This is fun.
Welcome to the beach. This is the beach.
Look at the sea.
The sea is big. It is a sunny day.
Let's go to the sea.
Yeah, let's go.
I have my toys.
Let's play. I got the bucket.
Okay, let's build a castle. This is the beach. It is beautiful.
I play with sand. I like the sand. I build a castle. It is a sand castle. My castle is big. I like my castle. The water is near. I go to the sea.
Be careful. The water is deep. I help you.
Come back.
Thank you, Dad. I am safe. We walk together. The beach is nice.
I can swim.